Hi guys, welcome to another Zen pop-up. So in this quick Zen pop-up, I want to talk to you about networking and why it's a good thing. Okay, so at Zenler we have our own networking group that you can join. You can see the link just here. So by going to this, you get to meet fellow instructors and you get to chat about your site, your strategies, all of these kind of things. But more importantly, you get to find out information about how people are running things and also whether you can tie up with those people. Now, tying up with another instructor in a similar niche can be a really powerful thing. Say you've got 100 students, they've got 100 students, and maybe you're a hypnotherapist, okay? So maybe you want to also tap into another instructor who teaches maybe something like EFT and uses a specific set of techniques that you do not use, but they are cross-compatible. So this could be a really good way to send people to each other's sites and to make money, extra money that way. Now, if you want to, in the networking session, you could talk about, well, okay, I am willing to send my students across to you if that fits their need. Make me an affiliate for X amount of commission, and then they do the same for you as well. And suddenly you're getting this extra revenue from people you've sent across into theirs. So you're becoming an affiliate for each other. So this can be really, really powerful. The other thing is you might decide that, okay, let's set something up between us. Let's do a course between us. And this is a little bit trickier because you might need to use one of your free sites and set it up as a joint thing so that you can both see money coming in, etc., etc. So it's a little bit more tricky. So using the affiliate route can be a really good way for you to instantly make money and find out the people that you sent across to each. Be clear and transparent to your students. Say, look, I've got my friend, my colleague, who is teaching that particular thing. If you go using this link, then I will make the commission to it. You might also be able to give them a coupon. So they might give you a coupon to get money off and those sort of things. Depends how you want to work it. Sometimes what I like to do is send people across to another instructor's site and give them a coupon, and I've agreed that with the instructor beforehand, and I won't take any money. I'm just giving them a discount for my students to get in to see that particular course or training. So this can be a really good way of opening things up. So networking is just so important. It's really good. If you've also got people in the Facebook group and you think, well, I'd like to meet up with those people because they're doing a similar thing to me, I'd like to see how they're doing it, reach out to them. Just message them, say, can you meet us in one of the Zen chat sessions, and go in there. So you can see the link there. We have that Zen chat link there, just there. If you go into the page here, you're going to see Zen chat here and the working opportunities. You can sign up for that and it gives you the next date of those sessions going into there. So you can join that for free. You can see that people love this already. There's a really good little community of people in there already discussing these things. So networking is a key thing. It's one of those things that comes off the side of marketing, but it can be really easy to do and can be a real quick way of getting more students across to you, finding out information on how you want to run your site, etc. So I really highly recommend that you jump into our absolutely free networking club that is Zen Chat. This is usually hosted by Kevin. So you guys know Kevin, he's one of the lead product educators with me here at Zenler. So just jump in there and he will just take you through. If you're unsure of what you do, no problem. Kevin's really good at explaining it all to you, making it all clear. So it's a lovely transition into the networking club. So join Zen Chat and get networking for free with Zenler.